Look at these pelicans. What's the report? Where are they at? Do they know?
Find us the big.
Yeah, where's it all at? You guys eat it all? Hey, yo, what's good? It's your boy Prince. You're watching Cook It Up. It's the first weekend back from Los Buzos. If you haven't seen those videos yet, make sure you go back and check out all the highlights from our Los Buzos trip. I'm with a buddy I met at Los Buzos, Chris, who's also from the Bay Area, trying to jig up some bait and make our way to the fishing grounds. A lot that I learned from Los Buzos that I'm gonna continue to apply here. But man, I couldn't help it. Just had to come back out and stay fishy, you know? So we out here, we fishing, and I'll let you know when we get on one. Hopefully get some rockfish, maybe a lingcod or something, and we'll cook it up when we get home. Oh, I think I got something. No, I do. Got a little anchovy. Yeah. Hey Chris, I got one. These don't live for too long. Definitely want to put them on my live bait rig. Oh! Oh! No, don't. Right through the nose. Dropping back in the water. See y'all when we get a fish. Cook it up. Got some bait. Today is the last day of rock fishing before they close it to like deeper limits, fathoms. I don't know the exact. But yeah, we're out here week after Los Buzos trying to get some rockfish, lingcod. Let's see what's popping. We just jigged up a smelt. Gonna replace this anchovy that's likely dead. Stay. Do I just hook him through the nose? Alright, let's see if this anchovy's even. Oh, he ain't even on there no more. Putting on this live smell. Hey, don't do it. Don't do it. No. Okay. Alright. There. Got the smelt. About to drop him back in the water. He's still lively and kicking. Alright, let's go towards the fishing grounds. That should be good lingcod bait. Alright, clean up a little bit. Come on. Stupid sabiki getting caught on everything. Alright. God, stop. That was a big smelt, so hopefully with a big bait, we get some big fish. Let's go. Freaking forgot my sunglasses. Luckily, it's an overcast day, so should be okay. Just making sure y'all with me. We're almost at the spot. Still trolling this jack smelt real slowly. Maybe pick up a lucky halibut. So I've got my rig, my jig rigged up, and we'll probably start jigging when we get there. Yo, I'm on something. Am I on something? Come back for it. Don't come off. Oh, I might have came off. I don't feel the weight anymore. I was trying to let it eat it.
Oh, you gotta set the hook with these.
Ah. Damn it, I let him eat it for too long. I'm pretty sure. Dang it. I should have said it. I think I found one. Gotta set the hook on these, right? Oh.
Swing and a miss.
It's been a dead zone so far. I had a bite earlier on the jig and a nibble on the bait, but I feel like we're in a desert right now. So I'm gonna keep pedaling around, see if we can find like a good school or something, because that area I was just in wasn't cutting it. Hopefully the next time you see me, we got some fish. Man, I wish we had a fish by now. We're still trolling this jack smelt. I've stopped to jig whenever I see marks, and it hasn't been good. It has not been good today. But man, I'm just spending time on the water, just having to be out here. Feels good, feels good. But it would feel better to have a fish. Let's see if we can make it happen. There's some weight on it. Oh, should I set it? Oh no, I lost it.
Swing and a miss.
I set it too early. Come back, come back, come back, come back, come back. Ah, I just lost my bait. I bet you I just lost my bait.
Break it off.
Let's see if he's bitten in half. Gone.
He gone.
Did I put the sabiki back on? Oh no, there's plenty of bait. Throw this a couple more times. I'm on something. Hopefully a rockfish, or maybe a... what else could it be? A ling? Copper.
Nice.
Yeah, no skunk today. Come here, boy. Swing him in. Yeah, I got one. He's still going crazy.
There's a salmon over here jumping.
Nice. Check it out, y'all. That's what we call, I believe this is a copper or brown. Oh, it's got the spot. It's either a copper or a brown. There we go. No skunk today, son. It's a good size one. Probably like a pounder, 2-pounder. Yeah, we did it. First weekend back from Los Buzos. If you haven't checked out the footage from Los Buzos, make sure you do that. There's some crazy highlights in there. Got to hang out with Die Hard and Outdoor Chef Life. What a great trip. Never been to Panama before, but I think I'll be back at some point. But today we're out here in the Bay Area, and we just landed ourselves this rockfish. Take them home, cook it up. If you like this type of footage, make sure you subscribe and like, support your boy, and more videos to come. Hopefully this video doesn't end here. Hopefully I get more rockfish, but let's see.
Got a decent black over here.
All right, I think the bite's on. Maybe the video's not over yet. I'm gonna put him on the stringer. I'm gonna go cruise over by Chris, and we're gonna keep fishing. Chris is on one. He says it's something good. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what he's got. Lingcod. Nice. Hey, slow day turned out to be a good day. When the days are grindy, we'll take what we can get. Dang, it's a nice black one. Yeah. Lingcod 22 and a half. Perfect keeper. Shoot.
On that croaker.
On the croaker. On the croaker, on the drop, dude. Hell yeah.